that I've been using is this one from Ravoincc Explorer. Okay, so I'm not sure if they still have this one in stock, but this is my default one that I've been using. And so the boots go on the inside, and obviously the helmet goes up top. Okay, so as shown here, so the helmet goes up top, but this is practically a 50-liter bag, and so will all the other bags that I'll be reviewing. So all these will be a 50-liter bag, but this one here has definitely gone through a lot of trips with me. I'd say the only thing I don't like about it is that the straps aren't super padded, and there's also no waist strap as well. So with no waist strap, I do like my snowboard boot bag to be a bit ergonomic when it comes to actually walking. And especially because this one can sometimes pack a lot of weight, it's good to have that waist strap just for extra support and such. So with this Ravoincc Explorer bag, you do have a front zipper pocket right over here. And then you have the boot option, or basically the boot zipper pocket from the back as well. So there is a back zipper pocket. As you can see, I have my boots in there. And so the boots, I'm about a size 9.5, and the boots fit perfectly just fine, okay? And then of course you have the top pocket, which holds the helmet, as I've showed before. Now as far as side pockets go, there are no side pockets on this one. You do have a strap here though, so I don't know if you want to carry like a tripod or something, it can hang over here. For any quick snacks or maybe like a shovel, that could also fit in here as well, but no side pocket, okay? As far as the snacks go, I did mean that was going to be put in the front of the pocket. So this front pocket actually separates from the boot compartment, and on the side you just have another strap as well, which you can kind of like tighten down to kind of make this bag a bit more thinner. Now as far as the back portion goes, you do have a chest strap though, which still helps a little bit. I always like when straps have like these circular holes, just because I can use these for carabiners. And then you have a handle up top, but that's pretty much it. I mean, throughout the bag, I don't think I missed anything else. It's a pretty decent bag. I mean, if you're looking for a very simple snowboard boot bag or ski boot bag, this will definitely do the trick. But let's go and move on to the next one.